How to save battery on your iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro, Pro Max, etc. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can save battery on your iPhone 14 and series. So, there are basically various ways on how you can save battery on your iPhone 14. The first one is of course the battery mode, which you can find on your accessibility, or if you don't find it here, simply go to your settings. After that, scroll down until you see the option battery, tap on it, and then you can see the option low power mode. Now once you turn on low power mode, the battery icon will turn yellow, meaning that low power mode is turned on, and now your battery will last much longer and it will also save your battery. Now the second method you can do is simply go to privacy and security. After that, go to location services, and if you don't want location services, you can simply turn this feature off. And if you don't want to, simply go to system services, scroll down, and then go to significant locations. After that, it will require your Face ID or your password, so simply enter that over here and then make sure to turn significant locations off. Now once you've turned this feature off, it will definitely save your battery on your iPhone 14 or any other iPhone you have. Now the third way on how you can save battery is by simply backing out, go to general, and there you can see the option background app refresh. Now if background app refresh is turned on, simply turn this feature off and it will definitely save your battery on your iPhone 14. So those are the ways on how you can save battery on your iPhone 14 series. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.